Hello and welcome to the PSS program. This is the 9th episode on how to enter data into rediCASE. Step 9. How to clinically close an episode of care. Log on to rediCASE. On the Search Received Referral page, click on the Details tab of the referral you wish to clinically close. The Department of Health has mandated that all episodes of care are closed clinically. This means that the episode of care is closed at the last session with the client and a final outcome score is recorded. To clinically close an episode of care, a service contact is to be created as the final session of care. Once the service contact has been entered and all mandatory fields selected, select Outcome Tool Offered and Completed from the Outcome Tool Administration flag a question. Complete the final outcome score, ensuring to select Episode End as the reason for collection of outcome measure. Click a Save tool at the bottom right of the screen to save the outcome score. A separate tutorial on entering an outcome tool can be found in Episode 7 of the series. Return to the Details screen of the service contact. Under the option Service Contact Final, select No further services are planned for the client in the current episode. This will expand the selection box and ask, do you want to close this episode of care? Select Yes from the options provided. It is important to remember that selecting No for this question will save the service contact without closing the episode. In this instance, the episode must be closed within 7 days to be counted as a matched pair for MDS purposes. Once all fields have been entered, click the Save button in the bottom right-hand corner of the page. A pop-up box will appear requesting a reason for completion and if the client was referred to any organization at the conclusion of their care. Select Episode Closed Treatment Concluded under the Reason for Completion option. Select the appropriate organization under Organization Type referred to at conclusion. Once all options have been selected, click the Close button. This will return you to the Actions page of the referral. Please also ensure to upload a copy of your final GP progress report prior to leaving the client file. Please note that once an episode of care has been closed, it cannot be reopened and service contacts cannot be updated or changed. Thus, it is extremely important to double-check all details prior to closing the client file. You can now exit the client file.